Greetings, Collective. CJ here, hopping on to another collective card reading. These are going to be activations and reminders from Source, your higher self, Sophia Gaia Terra, the planet we're all currently standing on, and the quantum field, which is the trillions upon trillions upon trillions upon trillions upon trillions of other Chris consciousness beings that are orbiting around us all day, every day, that make up the entire quantum field and the many flowers of life. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The cards that we've got for the collective today are the Universal Law of Polarity, bringing in the A and the A sharp, activating your stellar gateway, and the energy movement for divine essence. Okay, so starting off, this is going to be Source. This is going to be everybody's higher selves coming and reminding you that when you are not on a planetary experience, when you are just orbiting around, when you're in the astrals, orbiting around the quantum field, you are polarized with Source. This is where all of your divine essence comes from. This is where your wisdom's coming through. This is where your orbs come through. This is where your white diamond light comes through. Okay, now let's go look at the actual symbol for a second here. Okay, so you got the line here. This is your source cord. Right here in the middle, where the energy starts to flow outward, that's you. And then down here is your tether to zero space. Okay, so when you are orbiting around, you're going up and down your source cord. You're not, the only thing that you're attached to is the Godhead itself and zero space. You are not tethered to a planetary experience. So when we are orbiting around, we're getting all of our stuff from Source, from the Godhead itself. Okay, and this is where we can go up to the Godhead. We can orb down to zero space. Okay, so imagine this is your source cord, and all of this right here, this is you. This is where you bring in all of your energies and you blossom them out. Right, and you continue to just expand outwards. Okay, now this is where Gaia is going to come in. Okay, and remind you that your vessel is polarized with the plant collective. Your vessel is polarized with the plants that are around you, the plants that grow on this planet. Your soul is polarized with Source. So while you are here on the planet, while you are here interacting with Gaia, you are co-creating with Gaia, you're co-creating with all of the other beings here, and we're all going to be instantly manifesting and co-creating in the golden age. You're going to be pulling in all of your energy from Source. Okay, you're going to be pulling all of your energy from your polarization of the Godhead. Okay, while Gaia is going to be sending energy and matter and energy currency up your source cord, you are going to be bringing the same amount of energy currency, the same amount of frequencies down through your source cord from the Godhead, from Source. Okay. And this is where the reciprocity comes in. This is where how you and the planet co-create, and how you and the planet move energies and bring things into the reality and bring new frequencies into the golden age reality that she is birthing. Right? Okay, reminding you, only your vessel is polarized with the plants. If you are not on a planetary experience, you're getting all of your divine essence from Source, from the Godhead. Okay. Yeah, and then one last little tidbit reminding you that when we are co-creating, when we are manifesting, everything that we manifest, everything that we co-create has to be polarized. Okay, you have to bring in the 2. You have to bring in the builder code, the master builder code number 2 to start building. Right? You can't build with one side. You can't build with 1.5 sides. You got to build with 2 sides and start building from there. So simply put, like if you want to manifest some coffee, you want some coffee. Okay, you're going to start with the coffee itself, and a cup and a mug, a box, a jug, wherever you want to put that coffee in. Now you have 2. And then from there you start building on the flavors. You start building on what color it's going to be, how you're going to experience it, what the cup's going to look like, what the colors of it are, everything else after that. But you bring in your 2, you bring in your master builder code, you bring in your polarity, and boom. Then you got your base. You've got your foundation of your co-creation, then you start building up from there. Okay. And again, all of the information and all of the energy that you're going to need to bring in that co-creation is going to come from Source and the planet that you're currently standing on, if you are on a planetary experience. Otherwise, this goes all the way down to zero space, and this connects you to the divine feminine in its purity. Okay. Yeah. And a reminder as well that this is an energy movement. So using the chakra in the palm of your hand, filling your chakra system with the white diamond light, pulling in your divine essence from source, from the Godhead, from what polarizes you as a soul, as a orb. Pardon me. Right? And then taking that chakra and tracing this symbol in the air will allow you to move that energy with intention. Now, at the same time that this is a energy movement, it is also a living being. Okay, just like the numbers 0 through 9, everything in the quantum field is alive. So this being might tell you to draw this symbol somewhere. All of these beings might tell you to draw them somewhere. Wherever you draw one of these symbols, you have now invited this living being into the reality, into the experience. It doesn't matter if you're drawing this symbol on your house, in your space, or you're drawing it in a public space like a Walmart parking lot. Right? Wherever you draw one of these symbols, they now have the ability to interfere with the frequencies that are being played in the reality and in the experience, and they have the ability to interfere with those on your behalf, on Gaia's behalf, and on the Ascension's behalf. Okay, and they are more than happy and they are super excited. Let's just say that they are super excited to assist you, to come in and interfere. They want to assist you. They want to assist Gaia, and they want to assist the entire Ascension process. But all they're doing is waiting for anyone to be willing to draw it, to be willing to move the energy, to be willing to invite the living beings that make up the entire quantum field back into their reality and start being telepathically communicating with all of them. All right. All right. So that concludes the collective card reading. Thank you all for listening. Thank you all for watching. If you like this read and you want to hear more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell so you get notified of every video we post. A quick reminder that all of this information is on lovegrowsgaia.wordpress.com. It is where you're going to find all of these visuals, reminding you of the universal law, the divine frequencies, the portals opened up with each frequencies, the energy movements, the angelic Zebu energies, the symbols, the Zebu symbols. If you're going to look them up online, that's where you're going to find them. The universe, the orb colors of the dimensional spaces of 3 through 7. Your 17 chakra diagram showing you all of the different colors in the chakra system as well. All of those visuals are up there right along with the 12 now masterclass videos that'll walk you through the universal law, how to apply them, how to activate your chakra system, how to pull down orbs, the energy hand motions that we do, all of our hand signs and all of the specific energy movements that we do with each hand sign. All of them are up there on the website. Go check it out. And then once you have it resonates with you, please share the information, share the reads, share the website, share all of the truth so that more of the collective can see it, more of the collective can hear it, and more of the collective get activated and start turning on their abilities as well. And a quick reminder as well that we do all of this for free, and we want to continue to provide all of this information for free. The website, the reads, the collective reads, everything that we do online and for the collective, we want to keep everything free. And to do so, we run on donation. So to donate, you can go to lovegrowsgaia.wordpress.com as well. You'll find the PayPal, Patreon, Cash App, and Venmo links. PayPal and Patreon do give you the option to do a monthly donation. We do really appreciate these because those allow us a budget. They do allow us to make decisions easier, do movements easier, and do a lot of the spontaneous ascension work that we have to do that much easier. And a quick shout out to all of you that have donated, that have shown your support. You guys are very much loved and very much appreciated because, again, every single one of your donations, big or small, doesn't matter. There is that much more assistance with what we do, with the ascension work that we do, and with keeping everything that we do online with the reads and the website that much freer. Okay. And a quick shout out to all of you that wished me happy birthday yesterday. In the last few days, you guys are very much loved. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you to all of you that sent gifts, that sent donations for my birthday. Again, I really appreciate it. I love you all. Had a pretty decent birthday. I am 25 now, for those of you that don't know. Kill switch, baby. But yeah, thank you all for that, and much love.